Hi, I'm Sean with Amped Up Marine, and today we're going to be unboxing the JL Audio M6-880x 8.8-inch speakers. This is the classic grill white version. So this is a new released one I think a lot of people are waiting for, which has a white tweeter mesh on it versus the black tweeter mesh that they've had since the M6 series came out. When you open up your box, you will have some stickers. Everybody loves stickers. You'll have your warranty card information. You will have your installation manual. You will have your template. Cardboard divider. Inside the box, you will have your mounting hardware in a nice package, and then you'll have your two speakers. These 8.8s are monsters, as you can see. And then that nice new white tweeter mesh covering the tweeter instead of black. Classic grill face offers more protection, offers a nice neutral look. These speakers are offered in a black variant as well, which will be the classic one they've released. You'll have your female blade input connectors, positive and negative. And that's it for inside the box. These speakers specs will be behind me. They're 125 watts RMS. They like 200. A nice bridged amplifier and MHD setup will power these great. Big factor to consider when purchasing and installing these speakers is the mounting depth. These speakers need some room behind them. These kind of would be like an 8-inch subwoofer in a sense. They got some good punch to them, and then a nice 1.25 inch tweeter on the face of them. Offer a lot of output. You can find a link to this product in the description below. I'm Sean from Amped Up Marine, and thanks for watching.